how to create questions based on YouTube video using Magic School AI. In order to do that, click on the search right here and search in here for YouTube video. Now, once you have searched for that, you should be able to see this YouTube video questions. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So just choosing here the grade levels, for example, choosing here 8th grade, and also the question type. It can be a multiple choice, free response, or true or false. You can also put in here the number of questions. So for example, let's put in here around 5. And you can also put in here the video ID or URL. So I have in there this video from Amoeba Scissors. Head over and then copy it. And then from in there, paste it right here on the video URL. And then from in there, click on this generate right here. Now, once you have done that, this will generate video questions that you can ask your students in class if they actually really watch it. You can see in here that we have in here a multiple choice of these things, which is the major reason for person is bigger than when they were on 5 years old. And also these questions right here, you can also see in here the answer key and also on what part of the video they are actually mentioned. So you can see it right here, and then from in there you can copy or export it whenever you want, and you can ask your students these particular questions once you have watched this particular video. So that's how you create questions based on YouTube video using Magic School AI. Hope you helped.